Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove Google account in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of user and account here. So just click on user and accounts and then again scroll so that you have option of add account. Just click on add account and then tap to Google. Okay, now enter the email here. Now click next. Okay, now enter the password here. Okay, now click next. So if you want to save the password, you can save it, and if you don't want to save it, you can click not now. I am saving it and then click on I agree. Now it isn't processing. Now as you guys see, this account is now add to my mobile phone. So this is the method to add Google account, and if you want to delete or remove Google account, all you guys have to do just select the Google account and then click on remove account. After that, just click remove account so that the account will be removed from your mobile phone. So this is how we can add or remove Google account in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.